subscribe. Okay guys, if you're watching my videos a lot, you know I have good abilities in Blade Runner, right? So, let's see if I'll be undefeated in Blade Ball 1v1s. And I can change my ability because my ability is kinda good. So I can change my ability and swords. Okay, let's go. Don't look at this. Close your eyes. 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 Wait, nah. Wait, Almar. Close your. Guys, don't forget to buy some. Okay, not buy, not buy. Buy. Don't forget to subscribe. I said don't. Okay, let's go to door. What's up, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Okay. Chicken nuggets. Do you see that? That name is chicken nuggets. Will be undefeated. If they have infinity, I'm cook. No, not I'm gonna lose. They're gonna get cooked. That's what I'm saying. Ow! If the game's starting, guys. Oh, I'm toast. I did not pick my ability yet, but my ability is that what I pick. Ooh, I'm number one in the leaderboard because I'm the greatest. Right? Okay, so if that makes sense. Did you see I'm just lagging? I'm not lag today. So you're the gold. Okay, let's just use rapture ability. Yeah, rapture ability. Yeah, I bought Reaper ability. Let me play. Bro, you have two. Nah. It's going down. Nah, bro. The lag. No, I just want my ability for nothing. No way I was my ability. To the police force. I'm scared. You have 5 hearts, but now 4. Let's rematch. Go rematch. And you're going down 6 seconds. My Wi-Fi is kind of low. It's going down. You want to do that? You gonna deal with me. You gonna deal with me, bro. You gonna deal with me. He's gonna deal with me. The number one player. The number. Man, let's go. I'm not changing my ability. This ability is overpowered. Oh no. I gonna tell you one thing. Yeah, I'm changing my ability. I gonna change my ability, bro. You see? He's using first field. Oh, he's still using first field. He's going down. Let's wait him to get the first field. Hey, you, let's go. First field is not good, let's tell it. First field is not good. Now I just have 3 hearts. Oh, I just have 3 hearts. If I lose this, I have to give away one of my favorite sword. Deal? Okay, deal. That's the last time I lose. Okay, that's the last time. I promise. Wait, and I just jinx myself. I lose again. No, no, I don't want to. Wait, two teams. Yeah. Two. Did I? Ow! Nah. They're going down to the trash, and and they gonna opposite me. I well, gonna go to. Who please I win? I don't want to give away one of my swords. I hate passive ability. Bro, I'm number 1 in the leaderboard. Ha! Bro, why am I always number 1 in the leaderboard? Bro! I almost died because I did not see. They jinxed me. No, we're changing my ability, bro. My team. Woo! Focus up. What kind of? Wait, what kind of? Okay, I'm not with my ability yet. And yeah. Oh, my teammate sucks. Wait, what's his? No, they're taking the L. No. I just want to know. And here, I'm gonna. Wait, let me. Wait. Do I still have admin commands? I still have admin commands. Let me see. I'm testing. Wait. Wait. Because Mrs. owner, I forgot. No. Pause the video, guys. Pause the video. Guys, pause the video. We're gonna like pause the video. Wait. Pause the video, guys. Pause the video. Bro, no. This is M. If he gave me infinity, if he gave me infinity, nah. Wait, what's that? What's this? What's that? Oh, swimming pool. Please. Wait. No, just please. Wait, let's come, please. Happy. I think I guess. Wait, what's that? What's this? Okay. I wish you see that. I wish you see my shot. Because if you did not see it, wait, I just have 2 hearts left. No. I gonna give I answered in this video if I hit 0 shots. No, please. Don't make me use it. And why did I not ask it? I forgot I did it. No, I'm in a game right now. Hey, oh, they're using force field. Is it to me? No, that's disability. That's easy. If I die, I just have 1 heart left. Okay, this is this is scary. I'm not gonna like this scary. Oh no, wait, this is easy. Never mind. Wait, I have 3. And I just have 1. I used to have 1 heart left. No way. I did not hit 0 heart. Okay? I just hit 1 heart. Wait. I want go there what? I want go there deal. Okay. If I die 2 times, so I have 2 hearts, I'll give an explosion too. Okay? Deal? So I have 2 hearts. Deal. I'll do that. Explosion and sword. Bro, One Piece, bro. I wish I would. Nobody just said I remember. I wish I don't. Oh no, I wish I win. Not gonna. I wish I win. If I win, bro. So I have 2 rounds left. I have to try it. If I lose, that's my fault. That's my fault. Oh, he have good, but I'm number 1 in the leaderboard. Go, go, go. Come on, come. Come on. Wait, let me just start easy. Please, ability, bro. Wait. Where did I use? I forgot to. No, I'm scared. Wait, I changed my ability. I changed my ability. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey. That's the ability. He's not gonna die. I mean, or he's not gonna die, right? If he... Head hook. I want head hook. He's done. I like Headhook is my favorite. No, I was logging. Wait, I just have 1 heart. I'm too ready right now. Bro, no, if I lose, I'm gonna give this guy an ability. Hellhook ability. That's Hellhook is overpowered. Not gonna lie. Hellhook is overpowered. Like guys, Hellhook is overpowered. Not gonna lie. Come here, bro. Bro, why is Hellhook not? Why is my ability not working? Oh, my ability is not working. So, we have to I have to click this. How about if he stop it? Yeah, he can stop it. Again. Ball was okay. Oh, may tao sa baba? Narinig mo ba yun? We're clashing. I was doing, I lost. Bro. Oh. Do you want sword? 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 I'm doing a video right now. Let me go not for sword. I hate for sword. your ability. Not gonna lie, you have to change your ability. I'm not using my ability. That's hard. Yeah, I'm moving bro. I'm doing a video, you know. Hey, that's uncool for this. That's cool, that's cool. I stop the ball. And you're dead. You're dead. Hey yo, how is he spin? I didn't see the ball. Nah, I quit. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna give ability later, nah. I'm gonna give an ability later. I'm not gonna lie.